Concerning temperature increases have been recorded across the United States through comparing average temperatures in the beginning of the previous century to that of current times. However, the most extreme changes have been seen within the states and provinces that comprise the northern section of the Great Plains. It is important to note that temperature has not collectively increased over the express course of time. However, it has only increased since 1970. The temperature in North Dakota and generally across the northern Great Plains has approximately increased 4.5 degrees Fahrenheit as compared to the lowest increase of 1 degree Fahrenheit in the southeastern part of the country. Although it is still unclear why this region is vulnerable to the greatest temperature changes, some speculation has attributed anthropogenic aerosol forcing as a possible suspect. In addition to this concept, projections predict global temperature increases. Therefore, increasing temperatures in the plains will cause higher levels of soil evaporation, thus decreasing aquifer stores, and may lead to periods of drought. Dry soil, extreme heat, and droughts will likely cause concerns for communities in North Dakota, as depleted water aquifers and drought will call for proper water and resource management. Additionally, the increase in temperature will require more energy and better construction materials to cool homes and maintain home temperatures. In summation, communities within North Dakota and the Great Northern Plains must act to prepare for these heat waves by limiting water use and sourcing water from new resources, as well as changing building codes to promote lower energy consumption for home cooling purposes.